Hello children. Now till now we have finished exercise 6.1. Now we will do one more topic, that is reducing the fraction to its lowest term. Okay? Reducing the fraction to its lowest term. Okay? Now first you need to understand what do you mean by lowest term. Okay? Now lowest term means, first we will see what is lowest term. Now take any fraction. Now suppose I have 6 by 9. Okay. Now this fraction is said to be in lowest term. What are common factors of 6 and 9? They are 1. First we'll start with 1. The common factors always starts with 1. 1, 3. The common factors of 6 and 9. Now what we will do is, I'll change this fraction into one more fraction so that this will become a fraction of this 6 by 9, which is also an equivalent fraction for this, but this is the lowest term of 6 by 9. How? What is the common factor of 2 and 3? It is only 1. So this is called the lowest term of this fraction. Understood? So what is lowest term? If the fraction is having such that the numerator and the denominator is having only 1 as the common factor, then it is said to be in lowest term. Now how? Given a fraction, okay, given a fraction, how to reduce it into its lowest terms? There are two ways. We'll go by first method. Okay, first we will see the first method. Okay. Okay, for what are we doing? To find the lowest term of a given fraction. I'll take, for example, 15 by 45. Okay, let's take the fraction 15 by 45. Now they are asking to find the lowest term of this fraction. In the first method, first you need to find the common factors of 15 and 45. Common factors of 15 and 45. So they will be 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. What you do is leave off 1, because it doesn't matter if you divide with 1 also. Start dividing the numerator and the denominator with the first common factor 3. So this is 5 by how much? 5 by 15. Okay. Now what you do is take this again and divide with 5. That is 1 by 3. So this is the lowest term of this fraction. Okay. So what is the first method? Using common factors of the numerator and the denominator. Okay. Now the same question I'll do it in the second method. I'll do in the second method. Okay. What is second method is to find HCF. Using HCF of what? 15 and 45. To find HCF of 15 and 45. Now whichever method you are comfortable you can find, because we have 3 methods that we have studied to find HCF of 15 and 45. So I'll use my division method. 15, 3 is a 45. So my HCF is 15. So the HCF of 15 and 45 is 15. So what I'll do now is, you take the fraction and divide directly the numerator and the denominator with 15. That is 1 by 3. Remember, even in the first method we got the same answer. So this is the lowest term of this 15 by 45. So the first method is to find the common factors of the numerator and the denominator. The second method is to find the HCF of the numerator and denominator. Any method, whichever you feel comfortable, you find easy, you remember, you can follow that method. Thank you. Okay children. So till now you have seen how to reduce a fraction to its lowest term using 2 methods. Okay, we'll do more examples. Along with that, we'll do exercise 6.2. So exercise 6.2 only, I'll do 2 sums in each bit. so that it will be like an example for you. In A bit, they are asking reduce to the lowest terms by dividing numerator and denominator by their common factors. So the first method. Okay, in that I am doing fifth one first. Okay, now so here what we have to find the common factors of 18 and 27. So what are common factors of 18 and 27? 1, 3 and 9. Okay, I will take the fraction and divide with 3. Okay, 3 6 are 18, 3 9 are 27. Now this is not in the lowest terms. Okay, still we can reduce it. So take 6 by 9 and again divide with 3. You will get 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now further you cannot reduce it because both are prime numbers. And their common factors will be anyway 1. So this is the lowest term of 18 by 27. Now we'll do next sum. That I'll do is 7th one. I'll do 7th one. Okay, so whenever they give the question, first read the question carefully, try to think and then start doing the sum. The 7th one is 24 by 36. Okay, the 7th one is 24 by 36. So first find common factors of 24 and 36. Okay, so we'll start with 1. It will have 2, 3, 4, then 6, okay, 12. Okay, these are all common factors of 24 and 36. Now, so take the given fraction, start dividing with any of the common factors. Okay, I'll take 6. Okay, 6 4s are 24, 6 6 are 36. Okay, still we can reduce this fraction. Okay, so I'll take 4 by 6 divided by 2 divided by 2. That is 2 by 3. Okay, so in this way, now when you see the question, actually you might be thinking why I should take only 6, why I should take only 2. There is no hard and fast rule. What you can do is 24 by 36. Okay, I can directly divide with 12 also. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. Okay, so it depends on how you think. So the more sums you do, the more practice you do, the more analysis of the question you will be getting and you can do it. Now coming to the B bit. Okay, see what is given in the B bit. What is the question they are asking? They are asking find the lowest term of the given fraction by finding the HCF, okay, of the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so now B bit, I'll take one more color, we'll do the B bit. Okay, in this we'll do first one, 42 by 56, 42 by 56. Okay, now find, so what you'll write, find HCF of 42 and 56. I will use my favorite method, that is division method, that is 4. Okay, 14 3s are 42. So the HCF of 42 and 56 is 14. Okay, now we will reduce the fraction into lowest terms. So take 42 by 56, divide directly with 14. How much? Suppose you don't remember 14 table, what you can do? Okay, you divide like this. 3 is a 42. Okay, so in case, I am telling in case you forget. So that is 3 by 4. So this is your lowest term of 42 by 56. So this is the way you should do. Now next we will do is 6th bit. 55 by 66 by 54. Okay, it is 66 by 54. So HCF of 66 and 54. So I find 60 and 54. Okay. It is 1s are 54. This is 2, 12, 54. 4s are 48. We will divide 66 and 54. We got our HCF as 6. Now we will take this 66 by 54 dividing by 6, dividing by 6, that is 11 by 9. So 11 by 9 is the lowest term of 66 by 54.